Question: how do I go about creating standard operating procedures? SOPs. Answer: video record yourself doing the entire task. This is a particular skill that I've gotten better at as I've been in business. I didn't realize how important SOPs were until I began to repeat tasks over and over again. So how do you create SOPs? What I recommend is that you video record the process and literally narrate yourself through it. So turn on your phone, begin the process, and literally narrate yourself through it step by step. First, I do this. Second, I do this. Third, I do that. And then fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, etc. If you happen to have screen recording software, great, use that. The point here is that you don't want to get stuck in technology. You want to use whatever is easiest and most accessible for you. Yes, it will be imperfect. Yes, you will make mistakes. Yes, you will stutter and stammer. That's not the point. You're creating an internal document. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're just creating a rough draft. So then you'll take that piece of content you created and you're going to have it transcribed. There are a variety of services that will transcribe it for you. So now you have the piece of content and its full transcription. You're going to give those two things to a virtual assistant and have them create a more formal SOP for you. Because you narrated so specifically, first I do this, second I do this, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, it'd be much easier for someone else to highlight, document, segment out the steps that need to be done. You can use these SOPs for yourself when you do a certain task, or you can use these SOPs to delegate out to someone else to have them do a task for you. In any case, SOPs can be complicated because there's so much fancy software out there. But what we just walked through is an elegant way of getting started that keeps your efficiency. If you're asking me, the best place to begin if you're trying to create your first set of SOPs, it's use video to document what you're already doing. Hey, if you like that video, then you'll like this video too. They're all part of a series of videos that I've made specifically for busy consultants and coaches to help them leverage their time better. I know there are a lot of distractions out there, but if you can be more productive with your time, you can be more profitable in your business. And that's why I made the series. I hope you enjoy it. Please watch that next video, and I will talk to you soon.